I have a Sony Bravia smart TV. I'm going to show you how to reset the picture settings. Maybe you have a video, maybe the TV, maybe it's flickering black on and off. Maybe you have like white lines. Maybe the colors are funny. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to reset the picture settings. So first thing is go ahead and grab your remote and then just go ahead and tap on menu. So here's menu right here. Let's tap on menu. And now, let me tap on menu again. So from here, what you want to do is go down to settings and then move over to the right. And we want to go to preferences right there. Let's click on OK. And then first one up here, it says picture. Okay, so now move over to the right. And then one more down, it says reset, highlight reset. Click on OK. Are you sure you want to reset? It's asking if you only want to reset the picture settings back to default. Okay, so go to OK. And then there you go. We just reset it, and hopefully if you have any issues that your picture is now working, all right?